So I'm going to show you how to enable or how to turn on location or access to location on the Google Fitbit Air. Now, the Fitbit Air does not have native GPS on the device, but you can have it access your phone's location by giving it access to your phone's location. And to do that, you simply need to give the Google Health app access to your phone's GPS or your phone's location. So go ahead and launch the Google Health app on your phone, and then you can tap on device in the top left corner and select your Fitbit Air. Now, you may see this option. So get location-based features on your device. So basically, when you allow this, you're allowing your device to get location information from your phone. So to do that, simply tap on allow. It's going to take you to the settings of your iPhone where you can enable location. Alternatively, if you don't see that prompt, you can simply go to your phone's settings, go to applications. This is iPhone, but it should be more or less the same. So go to settings, apps, and then go and find the Google Health app. And then in the permissions section, you need to go to location and allow location to always, okay? So that the Google Health application always has access to your phone's location, and it can relay that location information to the Fitbit, so that because the Fitbit does not have built-in GPS. Thanks for watching and good luck.